This 2025 Winnebago View 24 RWD is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, air conditioning, DVD player, LP detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, microwave, water heater, TV, awning, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, rear bath. This 2025 Winnebago View 24 RWD is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.